Hey, welcome to my video. My name is Sas. Today we're unboxing my microphone arm. I bought this off AliExpress a little while ago and haven't set it up yet. It actually goes with this microphone right here that I'm recording with. I felt like I needed a microphone arm so that it wasn't in the way when I was playing or using my keyboard. Cool. Microphone stuff. Ooh, cool. All right, so this I guess is that thing when you speak through it, so then it doesn't, so when you scream it doesn't make it as too bad. we're gonna figure out what this is called after. Post edit. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I bought it, this exact thing. This right here should hopefully go around my microphone and hold it in the arm. So this is another piece. What's this next one? So we have a Velcro holder thing, a little circle. Can you see that? A circle thing. I'm gonna say a circle thing. Here, have a look. Alright. Oh, I know what this is. This will go on the desk. Okay, so this is another, I reckon it's another one of these. And since my microphone's pretty big, I'm gonna need this one, not this one. So this is the arm. Cool. All right, let's set it up together. Let's actually set up all the pieces first. Which way is it? So this piece goes in this piece. No instructions, by the way, but that's okay, we can figure it out. I was concerned because this has a hole in it for this screw, but this doesn't have a hole in it for the screw to go through, but I think it's just to hold it, so it's okay. Let's set up this microphone. We're gonna put this right over here. Alright, I'm gonna have to screw that up. I will be right back. BRB! BRB! Oh. Did that work? I think it worked. We're talking about the angles. Oh, the angle works! The angle works! Look! 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 Oh, microphone arm! Check this out. I set it all up. Ignore the cords. So today we set up my microphone arm with my microphone. That was so much fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you next time.